salt auger. And you're going to be putting 4 different types of cultures on here. So you'll divide it into 4 with the pen again. And what you're going to want to use with this one is you can do 1 of each of these that you have. Again, you can use the swabs to collect them out of there. You're going to do 1 from a sweaty surface on your body and 1 that comes into contact with sweaty bodies. So something like a door handle, something that people touch where your skin comes into contact. Something that you can do like your pen or pencil. And when you're swabbing those surfaces with this, you do want to make sure you rub the swab on there fairly good so that you can pick up the organisms on here. So this auger has different substances in it. It's got a high amount of salt, and salt tends to inhibit a lot of organisms from growing, but it does allow for staph to grow in here. So this is a lot of time used to try and help identify staph. It's got mannitol in there that certain organisms can ferment the mannitol. So when they ferment it, it's going to change the pH, and there's an indicator in there that's going to cause this to change colors when there's fermentation in there. So when it ferments, it will appear yellow on there. So you'll be able to look at that, and based on what you see the growth pattern being on here, then you'll use that to help give you one of the pieces in identifying the organisms again. So with any of these swabs, swab goes in the biohazard box, paper wrapper into the garbage again. Any questions?
Yes, so quarter salts, quarter sweat from the body, sweat from anywhere.
E. coli and
Sweaty surface on your body, surface that comes into contact with sweaty body, and 1 of each of the 2 cultures that you are given.